How to use Microsoft Teams for a meeting. Need to host or join a meeting in Microsoft Teams? Here's the easy step-by-step guide. So open the Microsoft Teams app or go to teams.microsoft.com, sign in with your Microsoft account, and then click on the calendar tab. It should find at the left side of your screen. Select new meeting, and then go ahead and add a title, participants, date, and time. Now to join, click on the meeting link or open the calendar and press on join. So you can adjust audio and video settings before entering. Inside the meeting, use the toolbar to mute or unmute. Turn your camera on or off and share your screen. Use the chat panel to send messages, share files, or drop links while the meeting is ongoing. Click more options to record the meeting if allowed. When finished, click leave or end meeting to close. Microsoft Teams makes meetings simple, schedule, join, collaborate, and record all in one platform.